Away from that, local manufacturers have been challenged to make innovative products that utilize technologies such as the Internet of Things if they are to fully take advantage of the next frontier in manufacturing. Industrialization and Trade Cabinet Secretary Maina says Kenyan manufacturers have an opportunity to meet undeserved markets locally and abroad, riding on strides made in policy.
Business management software provider Syspro notes that the COVID-19 pandemic underlined the importance of technology in manufacturing operations, underscoring the need for digital renovation. Now, to supplement the local manufacturing sector, the government says policies have been tailored to the new age manufacturing.
We have seen some nascent development of IT and electronic manufacturing, but I think this is an area that we really need to go into. Your partnership as manufacturers and as service providers is what will drive this economy.
However, players say that for this to happen, more can be done in awareness and policy, not only to stimulate innovation in local manufacturing, but also increase brand awareness and appetite for locally made brands.
The policy environment and the policy toolbox, may I call it that way, is actually full. The only thing that we need to do, when the policy at the national level and international level is there are still a lot of bottlenecks that we'll need to deal with to be able to facilitate export, right? The export levels, the efficiency. We need to be globally competitive.
You're all aware of all the different policies government has put in place to support local manufacturing, whether it's the local procurement rules, whether it is Buy Kenya, Build Kenya. But it's one thing to create markets and not have products that occupy those markets.
Speaking at the launch of the 5th edition of the Changamka Shopping Festival to be held in Nairobi and Kisumu early next month, manufacturers stressed the need for building capacity for value addition to feed local and international consumption.
There is a lot of value addition which can happen here, and I gave an example of tea, where 97% of our tea is exported in the raw form as black tea. We probably achieve $2.50 a kilo for that tea. On the other hand, if we actually packaged and put it as a product value add ready for the shelf out in the other in the countries which are actually importing, we could achieve $7. So you can see the value which we are leaving behind or exporting out.
The Changamka Shopping Festival is expected to increase visibility for locally made goods. The issue of locally made brands being accessible to everyone, to the local consumer, is a dicey one, but players now say that they are working with retailers to make sure that the product is not only available in large retail stores. Alan Auko, Lunchtime News.